We're up on North Shore in Queensland's beautiful sunny coast today, camping. We were going to do a bit of content around here, but you know what, it's schoolies, there's far too many people everywhere. So we thought, let's do a couple of rig rundowns. I've done a few bits to the 79 that we probably haven't shown on camera, so let's just do a full update on what's happening with the 79. So we'll get to the front first. No engine mods at all yet, but we've Raptor coated the Bullbar. It was chrome. Put the ARB Solaris Spotlights on. The GME long whip. We've done the wrap on the bonnet with the Mud Mods and Beers logos. Safari Snorkel. Put the 33 Muddies on with steel rims on 16s. We've done the ARB Roof Rack with a bit of a veranda out the front now, and flipped the rooftop tent around so it's facing forwards. That's working out really well. That's nearly my favourite mod I've done to this car so far. I'm really, really pleased with that. Inside the car, probably we'll go around the other side, but inside the car, not heaps at the minute. That's kind of been left it alone a fair bit, but inside so far we've just got, we've put a dash mat on, the Crashpad dash mat, got the reversing camera mounted up where the rear view mirror would be, the two-way radio, and that's probably it at the minute for the inside. Really haven't touched it much at all. It does what it does, and we'll get the nice pink RM Williams seat covers too. So just a little technical issue with our cameraman, but he's right again.
Take two.
All right. So we doodadded this up last night just for a bit of extra light around the campsite. But so it's the Bush Company 270 Max awning. It's pretty windy today, and this looks bad because these are just little silly lights we've put up. But it's a freestanding awning. And it's windy today, and there's no poles, there's no ropes. It's doing what it does. It's been up all night, all day yesterday, all day today. It's still strong. No need for a rope. Really impressed with this. Great bit of kit. And obviously the Bush Company rooftop tent, it's amazing too. We've got solar on top of that. Put the wheel carrier on the back with the bin bag on the back of that. Rear view camera on the bar. And to come underneath still, we'll have a trundle drawer and a water tank underneath. Haven't just got that far yet. Inside the canopy, look, we've done a bit in here. Put a drawer in with a table on it. We've got lights inside. We've got the fridge with the Redarc 1240D BCDC charger. On the other side, we've got another drawer with the Travel Buddy oven and the companion hot water service, which is really quite cool. I've used that this morning. That's a great little unit. In the back of the canopy here, not much else. So mods that we still want to do, as I said, water tank underneath and the trundle drawer. I'd love to get a CarPlay radio in there with some better speakers because they're useless at the minute. Some seats in the future, definitely a center console for more cup holders because there's only one still. But apart from that, loving the truck. Was amazed yesterday when we drove onto the beach. It just made sense. It's obviously on the road, it is what it is. It's a big heavy ute. As soon as we got on the beach yesterday, it all made sense. This thing on the beach was amazing. I was so impressed with how it drove off-road. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We get heaps more content coming, and we'll see you on the next one.